Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be decorating a custom spread from one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Beth. So Beth, thank you for being a patron again this month. Now she requested a cute Halloween themed spread on her monthly. I'm just going to add a bunch of cute stickers and washi and quotes and stuff like that for her for this spread. And I picked one of my favorite sticker books from Live Love Posh. This might actually be one of my favorite sticker books ever, just because this one is a fun holiday. I love seasonal and I love something that's like different and unique, and this checks those boxes. There's so many cute, and it's all decorative. Love that too. So yeah, it's just a bunch of decorative stickers with all of the, well, a good amount of the holidays here, and I love this book so much. So I'm gonna use a cute theme that I've used already before last year, I believe. I might have used it in my planner, but this is the Halloween theme. Like, look how adorable this is. The colors, the little buildings, the bats, the florals, the little ghost costumes. Super cute. So I'm going to use this one to decorate her spread because that definitely checks the cute Halloween theme that she's looking for. I'm going to bring in some washi. I actually have a bunch of really nice scalloped washi. I might bring this in. Let's see, like this blue might go. I have an orange. Actually, that's a good orange. And then pink, or maybe the dark pink. Or is this too dark? That might be too dark. Oh, purple. Do I have purple? Yes, purple. I like that. I'll bring that in. Yeah. So that's basically the plan for this spread. I'm just going to start with the buildings because I love the buildings. So I want to get those on this spread here. Let's put this here on the bottom. And then I can add another building. And I could just put them wherever I feel like, which is nice. I believe she just puts boxes on top. I think that's what she does. So I have like free range around this whole spread. All right, I do want to put some washi down, so let's go with this. Let's see how this blue looks, because I don't know if this blue is gonna let's see how this one works. So I feel like this is more like aqua blue, and this is more of like a sky blue. Actually, it works. I like it. So we're gonna put this here on the bottom. Okay, and then I'll do a different color over here. I'm gonna go with the pink. Yeah, I should have raised this up. I wonder if I can pull it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on first. Oops, totally messed that up. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on first and then put the houses down. Where did I put it? Did I put it here? I can't remember. No, I think it was here. So I'm excited because in October I plan on doing all Halloween spreads. It's something I've been doing the past couple years in my planner, and I love that little challenge for myself that I put upon myself, I guess. I'm just cutting the white off on the bottom because there's a lot of white. But yeah, I have a few weeks of Halloween spreads to plan out in my planner. So I'm excited for that because, sorry, it's bothering me because it's crooked. Because now I have a bunch of Halloween stickers. I feel like in the past I couldn't do this kind of challenge for myself because there weren't as many Halloween stickers. But now that we have all these like awesome small shops, there's tons of Halloween stickers to choose from. So that's super exciting. All right, so I'm gonna add in, I should put a little ghost over here. We'll add this one, kind of over here. It's about to go trick-or-treating. I don't wanna cover up the number there. So I wanna leave some of the numbers exposed. Okay, that works. And we'll put one flying, kind of flying over here. cute. Oh, this one. The piece will stick here, kind of driving around. And then I'm going to stick more of this colorful, or these different colored washies around the spread. So I think that'll be fun. But yeah, I haven't decided yet on the exact spreads I'm going to be doing for Halloween, but I do have a good amount to choose from, which is nice. Okay, let's add in some more houses. But yeah, excited for that. For that little challenge. I'm going to cut some more white off of this. And then my sister created some Halloween stickers too, so definitely want to use her stickers that she created in my spread. I'm going to put it here. Okay, I'm going to do some more washi here. Let's see, I'm going to go with the orange. Where's the orange? Oh. It like rolled off my desk and I didn't even realize that. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna put orange here. I'm gonna cut the bottom off again. Okay, and then I should put a ghost here. Let's see, I'll do this other one that's flying. Okay, put some florals. A couple of floral stickers. Oops. A little pumpkin. I'll cut the bottom off again. I'm gonna put it over here actually. Okay, let me get another ghost on this side. Let's see, which ones do I have? Okay, let's put this one playing the guitar. Kind of chilling there. We'll do a little boo. It's so cute. I want to get this one. Not this one. They're so funny. All right, I got a trick or treat. Oh, no, I ripped it. Okay. Let me just piece that together. Okay, where do I want to put it? Put it here. It's kind of like a free space. Trick or treat. Okay, not too bad. And then, okay, I got some bats. And some bats over here. And I have, oh, these cute little bats. These are like more, they got little faces on them, which is super cute. So we'll stick one over here. Actually, I'm gonna stick a pink one over here. We'll stick an orange one. Do it here. And then I got big ones too. Kind of stick these around the spread a little bit because they're cute. Kind of this one coming off a little bit of the page. Adorable. Oh, you know what? I want to stick washi on the top too. So I'm going to stick more washi because I really like the addition of the washi. I think it's a good pattern and color and adds more fun to the spread. So stick the orange over here. On this side, I'm going to stick the blue. Okay, so blue over here. And then I'll stick purple down here. Oops. This side has all the colors apparently. Okay, so here. I don't know where I want this to end. Maybe there. Okay, I think that works. I'm gonna stick pink. Do it here. It's a little in the way, but I kind of like that it's all around the spread. I think it looks good that way. Okay, yeah, that's fun. All right, I have more pumpkins. I'm gonna add some of these pumpkins. I like this one because it has like a little checkered pattern one, which is cute. Cut the bottoms off, place it down. I need to figure out this side because I have no idea what I'm gonna do on this side. Oh, I have flowers. Oops. Let's stick some flowers over here. Okay. Let's see what else. I got candy corn. Some colorful candy corn. I'm just gonna stick that around the spread. One here. Guess here. Okay, and then I have a couple of spider webs. Let's stick these on the spread too. Okay, let's do one over here. In the corner. And this one I'm gonna put it here. Well, looks good. All right. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. I'm gonna stick this guy over here. He's funny. Okay. I'm gonna grab some more quotes and stuff, but I think I'm good with like the decorative elements, I think. Actually, let me stick these bats. Some more cute bats and spooky bats. Do one over here and maybe just those. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna grab some more like quote kind of stickers to just stick around this spread, but for the most part I think it's almost done. All right, I have rainbow, which I have some purple stickers I might be able to use because this is a nice purple. Let's do this dare to try over here. Okay, I like that. And I'm going to do this everyday counts. I've used so much of that purple because purple is like a good neutrally color, I feel. I don't know, I can get it to work with a lot of spreads, so I tend to use it a lot. So I have orange. The orange is a little bit more questionable, so I don't want to add the orange. Okay, one more book that I have is Happy Halloween from KellofaPlan. She has some quotes that I might be able to incorporate because she's got colorful ones. Actually, these might not be what I'm looking for. Okay, let me look one more book, and then I think I might be done though. So I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so I was looking at this spread, and I feel like all I'm missing is really something over here. So I think I'm just gonna stick this pumpkin. Again, cut the bottom off. And I'm just gonna stick it on top of here. All right, there's the spread. It's so cute. I love how this turned out. Again, this book is one of my absolute favorites. Love it. It's so different, so unique. I love the whole theme of it, the whole vibe of it. It's so good. If it's still available, I definitely highly recommend using it. This is like one of the books I'm almost done using because I've used so much of it already. Like, look how cute that theme is. Adorable. But yeah, it's a really good book. If I haven't said it enough, love it. All right, but that is going to be my spread for Beth. So Beth, I hope you like your spread, and I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Beth. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button. That also helps out my channel if you're not already subscribed. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me as I made this spread for Beth. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video.